Okay, everybody, welcome to today's video. Today's video, I'm going to apply some Raptor liner. And I've done this on a lot of projects over the years, and I prefer Raptor liner out of any other product I've used, only because the success rate I've had with it is awesome. It doesn't fade. But I always get questions, people asking about spraying it. So I just finished fabricating up these rock sliders for my 2003 Jeep TJ. I Raptor lined my Jeep, as you can see, and it's held up really good. One thing you gotta realize though, if you go down this route and you want to Raptor line your vehicle, it's permanent. So once you apply it, there's no going back. I've already wiped those down with a cleaner, so they're good. You're gonna need a mask. I bought my Raptor liner in bulk, so they come in a separate container, but if you buy like the box kit, it'll have its own mix. So I got hardener separate that I gotta measure out. And all your instructions are on the back. I always get people ask me about spray pattern and how much pressure to use. It's all written on the back of the bottle. Okay, never mind, I stand corrected. Maybe it's not on all bottles, but on this bottle right here, gives you all the instructions. Right, 8 flow ounces of hardener into the bottle. Raptor protective coating. Shake for 2 minutes. Shoot 40 to 60 psi. Low dry 60 minutes. Then apply a second coat. I usually go 10 minutes, 15, because I find you're gonna need some gun wash too. Because I find that you're going to have to spray gun wash through it, because the gun will start to plug up, and once the hardener's added, this stuff starts to set up really quick. Once again, remember to use face mask, gloves especially. Let's get this mixed up. Pre-set up for 8 ounces. Like I said, if you buy a kit, it'll come with a bottle that's already pre-measured out. I didn't use it all, I've got a little bit left. And then I'm going to pour it into the bottle there. Cap it. And then shake it up for a few minutes. Well, everything's setting up. Pour some gun wash in the container, because you will need to clean your gun out. So I'm taking a rest, 20 minutes. The sprayer's been cleaned out. Put the cap back on this, keep shaking it. First coat has come out good. This is being sprayed at about 50 psi. The key about Raptor liner is to go a lot slower, as if you were spraying paint, and about 12 to 18 inches will determine what kind of texture you get. Of course, the closer you spray, it's not going to be as rough. The farther away you spray is going to be more rougher, but it's also going to be harder to coat. So you gotta kind of have to find your happy medium on where you want to be. There you have it. You gotta spray at least foot 18 inches away to get a nice texture like that. Now, I went, sprayed 20 minutes, sprayed, then I tried waiting another 20 minutes, but by that time it wasn't spraying too good afterwards, even though cleaning the gun each time, because it would just seem like it atomize and dry, wouldn't spray out nicely. So I'd probably give 40 minutes once you mix it to get how many coats you want on. But that's how you Raptor line. It's pretty easy. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. I'll see you in the next one.